And we have someone here who is going to be a surprise to all of you. We have Akhil Akhineni. Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
Good, good.
Back in black and looking very nice.
I'm wearing different color pants today.
Okay, so because he's in that, we're going to think he looks very nice, but you look really.
Thank you.
So we're going to ask you a couple of questions before we move on to a very cool game that I was just saving for you.
Okay.
So you're here for the Tamil and the Malayalam night.
yeah.
So being someone from the Telugu industry, do you have any filmmakers that you would like to work with in the Tamil and Malayalam industry? Have you been following films in these languages?
I see a lot of films. I don't understand Tamil, but I do see the subtitle version. Obviously, I'm a huge fan of A.R. Murugadoss sir. My dream one day is to work with him somewhere
Really?
down the line. Hopefully, he'll want to work. Yeah, that's one name.
Of course, that's great because till date, we're like, if there is any person who can be the most macho hero, then we go back to Rakshagan and we think about Nag sir. There is no one who's beat him till date.
Yeah.
But do you think you can beat that?
I think who's going to have a great start. Mahesh sir and Murugadoss sir are working together. That's going to be a kick-ass film. I'm sure about that.
Of course. But if there's any of Nag sir's film that you would pick as not just a son, but like a fan, like if you think this is the best
He did a film called Hello Brother.
Uh-huh.
That was my all-time favorite. That's my film of his time. I'm in love with that film. So I don't know if I'll ever remake it. I don't believe in remakes. Maybe one day, but that's my film.
And of Amla ma'am?
Pushpak.
Really?
Pushpak with Kamal sir.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. And of your brother?
Recently did a film called Premam. Yeah, I'm a big fan of that. It's
Yes.
a Malayalam remake also.
Yeah.
I love that film.
Really, that's so nice. So you're here for the Tamil and the Malayalam awards, and this is what SIMA is about, right?
Yes.
It's about bringing the four industries together. So how do you feel about that?
We get to meet people. That's the best part because we see their movies, we see the actors, the directors, we see their movies, but we never meet the people. So the good part is we get to see the actual person.
So now we're going to play a round of Never Have I Ever. I'm sure you've heard of this game. So I'm going
Very
to ask
dangerous
you.
game.
No. This is going to be very easy because
Okay.
we know Nag sir and Amla ma'am are going to be watching. So we're going to ask
Sure.
you very sweet questions, and all you have to do is answer if you have or haven't. Okay? If you can just hold the
Done.
mic, I will
I
get the cards. So, have you ever had pictures of yourself posted on Facebook that you've tried to get down?
Yeah,
Yeah?
definitely.
Is that quite annoying?
There was a picture of me sleeping on the plane with my mouth open. Like that. One guy took it and put it up on. I was trying to get that picture. Didn't work though. He kept posting it from different accounts.
But that happens, no? That's the power of Facebook, I think. But have you ever laughed so hard that you had to pee?
No, I never had to do that.
No, but you're
Luckily.
always laughing.
I'm always laughing. Maybe that's why I don't suddenly feel.
No, because it's so natural. Have you ever teased a friend so much that it brought them to tears?
Yeah.
You made people cry? What did you do to
But
them?
I have one friend who cries very easily for no reason. And if I pull her leg, she just started crying. And then she started laughing also because it's easy to make her laugh. So it's not such a bad thing.
But you apologize after you
No,
make
I
her.
don't because I know I'm just pulling her leg and she just overreacts for everything.
So you just make her laugh
I
instead.
do it all the time. And then I'll make her laugh too.
Have you ever stolen a tip off a table at a restaurant? Like just
No,
sneaked in
I
and
haven't had
taken
to do
one?
that. I think I'd be very embarrassed to do that. If I get caught, imagine what I'd feel.
Absolutely. Have you ever made a fool of yourself at a work, like at shoot
Of course,
places?
many times.
Yeah?
Many times. Recently, I was at a fashion show. I walked outside the ramp instead of on the ramp. I was like, what am I doing?
But thank you so much, Akhil, for answering all our questions. You've
Anytime.
always been such a darling and been so sportive about
Thank you.
everything. We really wish you all the very best
Thank
in
you
all
very
your
much.
future endeavors.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Akhil. Thank you so much.
ఎస్ సో సింగపూర్లో సైమా ఎలా ఉంది
వెరీ ఎక్సైటింగ్ ఐ యూస్ టు కమ్ హియర్ అలాట్ నేను చిన్నప్పుడు చాలా వచ్చేవాడిని
సింగపూర్గా?
నాన్నగారికి ఫ్రెండ్ ఉండేవారు ఇక్కడ అండ్ యూస్ టు కమ్ విజిట్ హియర్ స్టే ఫర్ అ మంత్ హాలిడేస్లో ఇట్స్ గ్రేట్ టు బీ బ్యాక్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ గ్రేట్ టు బీ ఇన్ అన్ అవార్డ్స్ అవుట్ సైడ్ అవర్ కంట్రీ చాలా ఎక్సైటింగ్ మై ఫస్ట్ సైమాస్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటెడ్
యా సో దాదాపుగా మీ ఫ్యామిలీలో ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు ఉన్నట్టున్నారు కదా
యా టుడే
యా ఉన్నారు అండ్ మంచి నామినేషన్ లో కూడా ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి సో వీళ్ళందరికీ కూడా ఒక ఫంక్షన్ లాంటిది అనమాట ఒక పండగ లాంటిది సో ఎంజాయ్ అఖిల్
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్
Hi Singapore. Andariki namaskaram. Good show guys. Saima for best debutant male Telugu goes to Akhil Akhineni for
లాస్ట్ టైం మా టీవీ అవార్డ్స్ చిరంజీవి గారి చేతుల నుంచి అవార్డ్ తీసుకోలేకపోయాను. సో ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ టు టేక్ దిస్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ యూ సార్. ఐ వాంట్ కంగ్రాచులేట్ ద తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ, మెగాస్టార్ ఇస్ బ్యాక్. ఫస్ట్ సినిమా అనేది రిజల్ట్ ఇటు అటు పోయినా నో ప్రాబ్లం, ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ యూ టేక్ బ్యాక్. ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కోసం ఐ హావ్ టు థ్యాంక్ మై డైరెక్టర్ వినాయక్ గారు, సుధాకర్ రెడ్డి గారు, నితిన్, మై హోల్ టీమ్, సాయిషా, ద హోల్ టీమ్ ఆఫ్ అఖిల్. వెరీ వెరీ మెమరబుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇచ్చారు నాకు. సో ఐ ఆల్వేస్ రిమెంబర్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్. మై హోల్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఫర్ ద సపోర్ట్ అండ్ ఆల్ ద ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ హూ సపోర్టెడ్ మీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. I miss my grandfather very much today. A&R lives on. Thank you very much.